In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to manually set an index in the Firebase console. If you've ever run a Firestore query that combines multiple filters or sorts and gotten an error asking you to create an index, this is exactly what you need. Indexes help Firestore answer complex queries quickly by pre-organizing your data. Creating one manually gives you control and ensures your queries run efficiently. Start by heading to the Firebase console in your browser, signing in, and selecting the project you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct project environment, especially if you manage multiple projects like staging and production, since indexes are project-specific. Next, look to the left-hand navigation. Expand the Build section and click on Firestore Database. This takes you to the Firestore dashboard where you can manage data, rules, and indexes. Near the top of the main panel, switch to the Indexes tab. This is where all your single field and composite indexes live, and where you'll create new ones. Click the Add Index or Create Index button. A configuration dialog will open. Here's where you define exactly what Firestore should index. For collection ID, enter the exact name of the collection you're querying. Use the precise collection name, no leading or trailing spaces, and note that collection names are case sensitive. Now add the fields to index. For each field, choose ascending or descending, if you plan to use order by or range comparisons on that field. If the field is used with array contains or array contains any, choose the array option. A helpful rule of thumb is to mirror your query. Fields you sort on should match the sort direction, and if your query includes an inequality like greater than on one field and an order by on another, the index typically needs both fields in the order your query uses them. Keep the index as minimal as possible. Only include fields your query needs. Choose the query scope. Leave it as collection for queries that target a single collection. If your query uses collection group to search across multiple subcollections with the same name, select collection group so the index applies across all of them. When everything looks right, click Create. Firestore will start building the index. This can take anywhere from seconds to several minutes depending on data size. During the build, queries that require the new index may still fail. Once the status shows ready, those queries will succeed. That's it. You've manually created a Firestore index tuned to your query right from the Firebase console.